It's Jake with R-Value Homes here. Just want to show you guys a few things about concrete. You've heard the old adage that the only things certain in life are death and taxes. We're going to add one to that, and that is concrete cracks. And why does concrete crack? It's not always a structural problem. In fact, many times it is not a structural problem. Concrete loses volume as it cures. It is substantially cured in the first 28 days. And during that 28 days or month, it's losing volume as water evaporates, and as much of the water is converted in a chemical reaction known as hydration. So what happens when it loses that volume is it shrinks, or it pulls away from itself. So let's take a look at a few of the ways it does that. So here's a garage slab, and we have saw cut the slab. These are called control joints. The attempt is to control the crack by creating a weak plane, and then that's the spot where the crack will happen, or the shrinkage crack is what that is. Now, I can notice this, you probably can't. This saw cut's a little bit wider because that crack has happened already and it's opened up a bit. And if we look here where we can't quite cut tight enough, you see the crack has finished its way to the wall. Also, it doesn't always follow the control joints that we cut. So here is a shrinkage crack that is broken off. Cracks do their own thing. We do the best we can, but cracks happen kind of on their own terms, not on our terms. But I want to see if I can show you how the concrete has pulled away from the wall just a little bit there. It's a very small amount, but they say it shrinks something like an 1/8 inch per 100 feet of slab. So that is what you're seeing right there.